Welcome to my course. This is my first course on Udemy. I'm Dr. Radhika Vijay. I'm from India, and speaking English has been a passion and a basic interest and hobby of mine since my childhood, and I really worked very hard in this language especially, and today I am so glad to share whatever I learned or whatever I know with all of you so that you all can also take benefits out of it. So do mark my words. It's your first impression, it's your first speech. Whatever you speak is whatever inside you are is coming out. So what you speak is what you are. Mind my words. Okay? So that is why I'm taking these basic important introductory chapters of the spoken English skills in this particular course. I would like all of you to definitely enroll for this course and my upcoming courses, which gonna be more in this series of English speaking skills, part 2, 3 and so on. I hope you find these basic introductory course very useful and you will definitely enroll it. You will ask your friends, your colleagues, your cousins, your brothers, your sisters, and all you know who are interested to learn the basics, the everything of English speaking skills, to enroll in this course also and to enroll in my upcoming courses also. What you speak is what you are. Thank you.